Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a head-to-head comparison of two massive powerhouses in the generative art space, Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI, so you can decide exactly which platform deserves your subscription budget. While both of these browser-based tools give you incredible control over digital generation, they cater to completely different types of creators. Leonardo AI acts as a highly curated, feature-rich production ecosystem focused on deep asset creation, whereas OpenArt AI serves as a versatile multimodal aggregator built for rapid experimentation and prompt testing. Let's unpack Leonardo AI first, which has evolved into a production-first platform preferred by game developers, concept artists, and content creators who need precise creative control. One of Leonardo's greatest strengths is its proprietary alchemy engine and its highly accessible custom model training feature, which allows you to upload a small dataset of your own visuals to generate highly consistent assets in a specific brand style. The interface also features a robust AI canvas for seamless in-painting and advanced generation, alongside integrated motion tools like VO3 for smooth image-to-video transitions. It runs on a monthly token system that refreshes daily on the free plan, giving you an elite level of aesthetic polish right out of the box. On the flip side, OpenArt AI takes a community-first approach by operating as a massive sandbox that aggregates multiple foundation models, including Flux, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E 3, all under one roof. Instead of trapping you in a single ecosystem, OpenArt lets you jump between entirely different AI models to see how each interprets your prompts, making it an absolute goldmine for prompt building, creative experimentation, and social video templates. OpenArt particularly shines when it comes to character consistency features and its fast image generation speeds that deliver results in just a couple of seconds. The platform uses a standard monthly credit-based system, providing a flexible workflow for marketers and designers who want broad model variety without complex setups. Choosing between them comes down to your primary creative goal. If you're a professional designer or artist looking for a structured, tool-heavy environment with advanced fine-tuning, superior texture rendering, and integrated video generation, Leonardo AI is the clear winner for heavy asset pipelines. However, if you want a lighter, beginner-friendly hub to test different AI models, master prompt engineering, and quickly iterate across various artistic styles without renting external GPUs, OpenArt AI offers unmatched flexibility. Look closely at your workflow requirements, weigh the token versus credit pricing tiers, and pick the generative suite that best brings your unique digital visions to life. Subscribe the channel for more videos.